95.1, your Chokma station, Wazovia FM, guys. And I know say you they watch live because we they stream already on Facebook. We they live. Find us Wazobia FM. Also find us for YouTube. We they stream live also. We get the people where we say they just come off from the BBN season 7, and I get Diana in the building. Hello, mademoiselle.
Hello.
So pretty.
Thank you so much.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so also get with me Deji in the building.
What's up, guys? Deji morning.
Okay, lover boy. All right. Giddy Fia, Alpha.
What you saying? What you saying, though? I'm so excited to be here. I'm happy to be here.
Yes.
And I am here.
All right. And so we got try speak pidgin, and because now Wazobia FM but this, and so Dan just look me like this.
No, I go manage.
Yeah.
If na pidgin, where we dey go now?
Now
What was I not speaking English for?
Now pidgin we'll use do one.
No, Alan, I will
No,
deal
no,
with you.
no,
We
we
deal
deal
with
for
you.
you.
Deal with you.
All right, so I want to make you
good.
chill as much as possible. Now just
Yeah.
conversation with the get
Nice one,
right.
nice
So
one,
not
we
be
got
like
you.
tight. So it's not that bad. Okay,
Yeah, cool,
now
cool.
just relax. Okay, now digital. Thank you so much with the roll, and you go feel also sending your own questions. Send them in 08095975808. I they see them already. Keep them coming, and I must make sure say I ask 1 or 2 or 3. So make I start from you, Diana. How are you?
They fine, no.
I know say you did fine. Tell me the whole. Make I start from the whole. You today inside that house to make amongst all the people them we come in. How you feel?
I feel blessed.
Okay.
Yes, I feel grateful because first of all, you know, easy to enter this big brother Naija. Let's be realistic. Don't be waiting to go. They see for TV that it happen. No, first of all, the process, like no be small thing. So I thank God for everything.
For you get reason why you come big brother, right?
Yes, now.
Just play some for me now. How you feel? You feel like say you don't achieve waiting really bring you come. That
To big brother.
Yes.
Honestly, when I was inside, I was so disappointed. I was like, voila, oh, like God sent me here for a mission.
Okay.
The mission no fit accomplish.
Okay.
Now, Ebuka called me on Sunday to say, make I go house. I say, voila.
But and you be done the fear that particular time.
I fear since day one.
Yes.
I will not lie. Since I
Yes.
entered this house, I saw my fellow
Housemates.
housemates.
Yes.
I say, voila, day. So, as from week 1, I was ready already to pack my stuff and to go out. But thank God, we were in different level and we were winning all the HOH.
And plenty of una dodge am well.
I dey tell you.
Okay. Hello, housemates. But your people don't know say you be fake housemates.
They don't know.
Yes.
I play them well.
You
They
play
suspect,
them.
but they don't know.
They really okay. Make I put them like that. They suspect, but they don't know.
Exactly.
All right, because yes, you been break your girl heart because she don't even know whether the love when I get na real since you been fake. You be fake housemate.
Housemate, yeah.
So make us start from you as a person. Tell me how you feel when they tell you say you be fake housemate and they come inside the house already.
Honestly, like me, I don't know say I could be fake housemate to start with, because I feel like say I too much for me to be fake.
What you mean by that? Tell me.
No, I too much.
I too
honestly.
big.
You said you dey see me as I be now.
I see you.
Yes.
No wonder Chichi want fight. No wonder Chichi they throw it things.
But
Okay.
yeah, so when they told me, I took it in good faith because, like say I go day part of the show alone, a big deal for me. Like, so being a fake housemate was now something of great pleasure for me. So I don't really feel bad like that.
But say you be fake housemates when they finally don't tell you, it affect your game. It affect the effort where you supposed to put in.
I don't go talk say it affect them. I feel like it actually make me come out of my shell early because say I know say now only 4 weeks.
If you die anytime, right?
You get. I know say na only 4 weeks I get. So because of that, make I kuku do wetin I want to do like sharp. But at the end of the day, like the fact say I spend extra 1 week means say I do my game well. You get. And big brother can't reward me say, oh yeah, Deji, can't day another week. So yeah, I feel say I do well actually. It don't really affect my game like negatively. It was actually positive. So.
All right, Giddy Fia.
Yeah. I dey with you.
Just like your name being carried, be like say you be no say you they bring fire come down here. Then you can't one dilute and with laughter. So when we talk about the fire where you bring inside that house,
Yeah, I'm
why
with
they
you.
join people heads together?
I actually no join anybody here together, but continue.
yes. I now we they watch right.
Yeah.
So it can't be like say you don't really want to stand here. I think you want this, but you don't know the one where you want.
You want everything.
Diane!
Wahala.
So I thank God say you dey here. So
With
make I understand really where you be they go. Wetin be your plan?
Okay, to be very honest with you, okay, ma speak for pigeon exactly.
Yes, now.
The thing takes up. I'm more of a guy that I go just read as the room be before I know if I'm accepted there or not. If I know if I go stay or if I go come out. So when you be like say this one get as be, this one get come out, I go move because I was there for a good time. What you saying?
You been come for a good time.
I know be the line. I talk outside. They go there for a good time.
You look Diana well.
I look there now well now.
I
Now why I go there well? Now why I go there first?
Now why you go there
Now why I go there first?
So what you can carry they go other places?
Okay, but between Diana and I, we've been getting like 1 or 2 issues where we do make that ship no fit. You understand? Enter sea. Because if not, if we don't they sell them, they go now, they gyrate as they go.
But I can't feel like say you not really one day serious with anybody.
Yeah. First, to be very honest,
you plan you know one day serious.
I don't want to do no relationship. I go find for
so
them.
So you get
now,
relationship
honestly.
outside.
I don't actually get relationship outside. I'm the kind of person who will say if I do relationship, I go one day I'm well. So it better make I know day than today half.
So you just want play around.
I just want them to be
or
happy.
Like I not using the word play, just want get fun. You just want.
Yeah, I just want that. Yeah, I just been one day excited, and I mean, no say if I get relationship or if I can't date serious with anybody, it go affect my movements. Because I know go there very excited, like I know go just day all out again. Because you need to be there for the person you go.
Because I must tell you for free, Una the spoiler game for us. Yes, I go tell Una. I go need to come to you, Deji. Now plenty of now go pair Una self for there. It be like say I go just there watch for my screen. I go be like, what's be this? Now the content what will sign up. This now Love Island. I be waiting. Deji, you feel like say you remember waiting Giddy Fia talk say you believe say if you stay with anybody go affecting game. So you believe say you now we gum body with Chichi.
Yeah.
We know. So you believe say you affect your game with other girls?
I mean, make I talk to because as I enter, you get I feel say people they expect this playboy energy from me. Say, oh, this guy playboy, lover, non-lover, but like playboy,
yes,
and all of that. But as I can't enter, the first and second week, I feel like say I play am well because I've been here say plenty girls been like me inside the house.
Plenty like you, ma tell you some.
I know.
You don't hear.
I don't hear. Even themselves can't tell me themselves.
I can't they vex. I say what thing they do.
They can't tell me themselves. But you can't they reach extent say say they be divide us initially.
Yes.
Then most people can't they day ship. So at the point, if I want to follow person talk, in day with him babe.
So you guys go get your own ship.
Exactly. So I have to just I gotta
go. But I for like make you just day no ship. Make everybody just.
But the house go.
It hard, ba.
If
you don't enter that house, you go understand something. Yeah, you go day ship. I tell you. I know me say you go one day ship now. They cold.
So, okay, yeah. So thank God say you bring that conversation. I hear say that house they very cold. Now Christy, right? They here tell me say the house they very cold.
Very cold.
Now why una they like gum body?
You go just need gum body because the duvet no dey enough. You understand? Gum body carry duvet rub yourself again like shawarma. But honestly, I don't think it's only because of the cold wey dey.
Yes.
The house just get this certain vibe wey be say if you no just get person wey be say if you rely on.
Because una no dey create the fun now.
We dey create the fun but no be as you go create fun say I don't know why he's so loud, I don't know why he's this, is that. Now so because everybody no go dey on that vibe. If you want dey very honest. You get people wey dey there they go just dey very quiet from beginning to end. Now me dey even like drag some people out of their shell, you understand?
And they laugh plenty.
Yeah, you understand?
I say Nigeria dey
but as they laugh like that, you get people wey dey vex, you get people wey dey like calm. You understand? This way be say I dey quiet, they will come like why you dey quiet? Why you know they laugh? Come make me laugh. Chichi was very fond of it. I go just the pass. Giddy Fia come now. Come and this with me. Make I laugh. You understand? So it's not everybody will go there on that same frequency with you. Understand? Right. So there's something about the house.
Vicky, that your AC. Do something about them. Make I talk to you, darling. Originally, when you enter inside our house, tell me sincerely, which of the guys been enter your eye first before waiting happen with Giddy Fia happen?
I will not lie you. At first when I
know say you know the line. Now I ask you.
That first day I was having hope, expectation. I say make I go big brother, make I go find Bobo for inside. That first day when I enter, I look left, I look right. I say wahala.
You and this wahala.
They find die. This season I don't know how big issues them if he went to model agency and they suspect themselves. You understand?
Yeah.
But when they started to talk, I be 21 and half. I said,
okay, but you get people where go date that age too. I think it get to do with the way they think, right? People feed at that age and still they mature. Diane.
No, I never meet them before.
So now the age now you slow you down.
Yes.
You be no say from Savvy be get something. It be they think about you. Make I use the word think about you. You be no here.
I never hear.
I not saying it. I say even they think about you. No be saying.
Me short of words. Speechless.
But with Giddy Fia now, why it affect you that much?
You think pain me?
Why?
You think pain me because we reached that point that I started to open up to him.
Okay.
That is the problem. So before that time, the respect was much. Even people will come and meet me to say, this boy, the way they respect you, wow.
Maybe. Okay, go ahead. I don't want to interrupt.
You know, guys out there.
Yes.
When you go agree, they will be very respectful. That day that they know that okay, she's about to agree. That is when the disrespect is starting. That's so.
But you be the few Deji.
The first day that he enter, I say,
hottie.
Big brother, I say, thank God, though. I see eyes, I see body.
I love this.
I see beauty. I say, there is a God.
You can't carry everything, go give one person. So, now, I believe, say, Chichi been see through you. Now, why she act how she been act?
I don't think so, because she explained me when it was coming from.
Yes, and I respect her, say she come meet you to, aside from waiting Big Brother do also.
Yes, and it was not coming from that, because me at some point I was asking myself, even when she came after that, I asked myself, I said, for her to react like this, which means there is something sweet inside. So it started to...
Wait, rewind. He said for her to act like something is sweet inside.
No,
I don't understand.
I mean that it means there is something inside that will make you react like this. So the thing started to enter my eyes. I will not lie.
So I could drag the tape.
I was like, what is the inside?
Deji, you dey blush like this. Why they cause trouble between my girls now? Are you dey blush?
I don't do anything.
You did not.
Okay, so but Deji, tell me seriously. Aside from Chichi, now nobody there here between me and you.
Sure.
One are they listen, one are close.
He said that nobody
they hear. I said people they hear from different parts of the world. Now really Chichi you want, or be because people don't take shit and then you settle.
I mean, like I said, as I take enter house,
yes,
I know really they're interested in anything. Like as I enter, you know, I realize like all of them fine. Like they're fine, they get nice body, they sabi talk, you know, that kind of thing. So my own vibe now say make I just sabi all these people, and if I go there maybe just get more than one, I don't go lie. You get see I fit get
close up.
You get.
But why you no get more than one?
I don't get because everybody don't
collect.
I don't carry 3.
How I take carry 3 now?
No, because you be there slow.
What's going on?
You be there slow. You be think say they go rush you.
I didn't do that.
You be think say they go rush you.
Do that.
I've been the wait. So
I was on my own.
I carry 3. Person carry 1. Person carry 1. I say nothing remain. No. Before I go finish, I say make I carry 2. I don't
like this conversation.
These guys are so fun.
Ma, I did not carry 3, please. They should. I beg to differ.
You be there.
I was on my own. I was on my own.
I don't even know where you stand.
I feel like you know where I stand. That's why you
know. Are you dey pay me? I don't know. So now
you pay you. I know. I dey see her for your face.
How you feel when you come out? I can't notice say Chichi they cry for you for house.
I mean,
in fact, she mentioned say she be the one.
Yeah, I know. Actually, they surprised because me, I know say she like me. You get like because other guys say as they enter house, she no look any of them.
At all.
No, but as soon as I enter, she can't look me like she did interested. She tell her friends, even her friend.
God, where we go find this love? Go ahead.
Her friends can't tell me say, this baby.
Oh, they be done. Yeah, I think I hear.
They be done. They tell me, but me, I know still won't break because I was like, make I still wait. You get, but then. You know, as much as other people say been like me, you get. I just had a soft. I been get soft spots for them. Now waiting make me come.
But it get one point where you can't talk. Say you don't really want serious. Yeah, I hear you. Are they watching?
Yeah, I don't want serious because I don't talk on before. Like everybody. You get one point when they come merge us together, they cook. The sheep go they chop together for one place.
Yes, that's in the vex you,
and that's in the because me I feel chop for like 3 hours at a go, 4 hours. You get that kind of thing. And they take my time, and I don't like many people they touch my food. So, but for sheep, everybody they touch everything. I say, I don't feel.
And that's in a trespassing.
Yeah, so at the point Now waiting they make me say, oh, I don't fit do this.
I don't fit do shit again.
Sometimes I go want sleep on my bed alone. She go one day. I don't go fit talk. Say me should they go like I go they feel bad. So all those PDA things I don't really they used to have.
But now, uncle.
Yeah, but at some point I feel like now one of the things where I learn inside house with that, like she been teach me how to just accept them.
Awesome.
You know, nothing deep bad. If anybody want to talk, make them talk.
You go like go ask Biggie, what you go like drink normally, make you buy for him because now we'll go take a little break. When we come back, we want to talk about Una because Una don't come out now. Definitely. See the word they look Una. Over 7 billion and counting people. So you guys don't blow already. So you guys keep on going. And seriously, I don't know. I want to talk about man, no talk. I'm not talk. No, not big now go. You know, anybody don't tell you say you look prettier outside.
I never hear him before.
I tell you now. Come on. No, the Dan wife they see inside. No. Yeah, she's pretty, nice, good looking, the vibe, the way she they carry herself and everything. But outside now, man.
Now waiting everybody talk.
You be the vibe outside.
Thank you so much.
I don't know waiting Deji and Kobe they look. No, I still they root for Chichi. I don't know about you.
No root for me.
I don't they root for you. I don't get where they root for you for.
No roots for me.
I don't get who to root you with.
I don't go there for relationships. What are you saying?
Okay, you go there for money.
Vibes
you
and
see.
Yeah, had good
But
time.
then once we come back, we'll talk about some of the other relationships inside the house and how wanna feel about that.
Okay.
Because we hear some skills. But DJ give me music. You know, say these people they sabi dance.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you did miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chup mouth.
You think say really they're very sincere and go feel last. Where we say both of them actually feel the same for each other.
When I go talk doesn't mean that it go last for outside though. But it be sincere.
Yes.
So I will talk first one, Alison and Hermes. They're cute die. Hermes don't change.
Wow.
Hermes was whoa at the beginning when love came. Baby! No, their love story is too sweet.
Wow.
So after them...
But you hear Sam is get 2 girlfriends outside, right?
Now waiting in talk first.
Yeah, waiting in talk, right? So Hermes be the Alison na the third one.
Now the third one now, a small challenge now.
But you hear when Alison tell him say make you leave the 2 for.
I never hear this one though.
Okay. I go settle down with Hermes when he come here.
Okay.
All right, so move on.
Then after them, I will say... We say the sincere, we will not say who they inside the house.
Yes. Diana, she's a case.
I think not only them.
Not only them you see.
Okay, Fina and Groovy at first. I was like, waiting they serve for, this P.
Yes.
But after seeing them merging, the kind of respect that this Groovy have for this babe.
Yes.
They sweet me.
I like say you mentioned say Groovy get for this babe. Giddy Fia, make I get your opinion.
Okay, if I want to be very honest with you, I go say Alison and Hermes because the story been there behind this ship. Like, just starts like I said, they just see themselves. There was a story. Hermes been really like Alison when he enter house.
Okay.
Him point hard give him. He didn't work out. He no work that first time, so he pull back. He be like say, I don't know they sure if he try 1 or 2 other people again, but as he comes up with Alison, there was change been really there for him. But he will not lie in whole life, the way they behave, the way they reason things, the way they talk self. They more positive before. Everybody get away. Don't come near me. Yeah, but when he can't start the Alison, that sweet side of him when they come outside more, like, yeah. So that one for me, I go tick that box. And Alison, I don't full and talk like on other levels. Like I know say she really mean now when she say she like him.
Yes.
Then for Groovy and Fina, no be lie you. When we enter inside, they will go feel say Groovy they cause problem, this that. But immediately him and Fina can't dey close together. You can't see that respect. Now one thing we go cut cap for them, that respect for Fina actually dey.
But you feel like say for Groovy, yeah, I not say you mentioned say Groovy with the cost problem.
I say it go look like say it go the cause problem.
But
like
it be the cause trouble.
Okay, because
you know the trouble.
So we been there different levels, so we know really
so
they follow all those.
You don't follow.
But we for outside even know pass.
It be the cause trouble, and some of us outside feel like say Fina slow down in game.
That na wetin you go feel o. Say they slow down in game, but or another person feel they look am like say maybe that even help in game if they sit down in sweet side. You understand? We for inside.
We want make it cause while everywhere say.
And that's what I gave you. I mean,
you know really give that.
Okay, na joke, but on a serious note, I get where you're coming from.
Deji,
I get where you're coming from.
All the people who have been getting hope for, they don't do it today. Okay, Deji, to you, which of the shapes?
I mean, to me, if I could be honestly, now also MS and Allison.
Yes.
You get in the sense that she.
That's aside from your ship.
Aside from my ship.
Yes.
Because I'm not allowed to talk about.
Yes. Yes.
So yeah, the way intake change MS like in a positive way. You get, and initially me I even think say even make them deal less competitive, but then this Monday I hear win Edobor. So obviously it's still very much competitive. It's just more like it just they more calm now.
Yeah.
You get, so and I really respect. I never hear them fight before. They know they argue, that they respect each other.
Okay, since you mentioned fights now, shall we go there?
Yeah, sure.
What do you think said they happen? Since I don't want to mention that, she make a mention Shaggs and Bella.
Oh, Shaggs and Bella. So when I first enter house, you get, I've been look them. So, these people love each other. I hear saying that the second day they love up, say they one day together.
They even promise marriage. Now would they tell Biggie make you so ashamed before?
Cause me, I doubt them. I say person like Shaggs, we say I know they sure, but then I can't follow and talk saying they genuine. Say he no one play around anymore. Saying see what he like for Bella. I say okay, no wala. But later on, I can't just say fights every day. You are too rude. You are this. You are uneducated every day.
Now what he like now? He see something for the babe now.
Every day now in the fight, and that kind of relationship, nobody go like her. Nobody go want that kind of thing for themselves. You understand? So you just be like say the thing today toxic, and today she go cry, tomorrow he go argue. So that relationship, I don't really see anything for that way. To be honest.
I appreciate your sincere take on top this one. That relationship, it can't be like say they toxic. It's
everybody they see, and I wait everybody they see.
It's glaring. So we hopefully when they come out, they go see what thing we they see.
I mean, if not waiting they want, but maybe not the toxicity they want. Make their people marry.
Deji, how they go want that kind of thing? Deji, which one will be this Deji? Okay, so we could talk about you now. Moving forward, you get any aside from Chichi? Get any bestie inside our house aside from Chichi?
Dotu mate.
Yes,
Dotu mate. My brother be that. So
all right.
We they really close.
He don't the vibe about you too, and he affect him in a way too. Even while your wife is crying. He said she don't agree talk to anybody. She go lie down and cover you.
Now I tell her say me take care of him now. I need to talk to say no wala. Say go take care of him.
As they take care of Daniela. Okay, and we no go try him. All right, so moving forward for you now, what you would expect from Deji?
I mean, for me, I dey do plenty things. Like what make me come big brother and I be say I don't want day restricted because I be pharmacist before. The 9 to 5 don't tire me.
You don't tire you before you don't give person medicine before.
I dey take care of people.
The day one cut man for inside house, I ain't help me.
This guy gonna cause problem everywhere. You don't give people medicine.
I dey give people plenty medicine.
See fine boy pharmacist though.
So the thing don't tire me. I say okay, I want.
But why it tire you?
9 to 5 go they do the same thing over and
over
again. Like no spark, no social life. Then I feel say big brother go fit give me wetin I want.
Yeah.
So as I come big brother, I come realize say,
wow,
I fit do plenty things. If they say make I sell pure water, I go sell. If they say make I do this, I go sell. If they say make I act, I go sell.
Your voice, okay.
Yeah, if they say make I act, I go sell. So now why I realize okay, outside coming out of the house, the thing I did do before I still want to do, which be modeling. I get fashion line, fashion designer. You get content creation and all of that. But now I just want to expand on those things. Okay. And also like dive into maybe if not acting and other entertainment stuff.
Well, you go act, you go tire.
I want really day inside. And also I be realize I get plenty, lovers and also haters. So I want day their face. So any endorsements, all those things I want really do.
How much you make from Biggie House?
If I talk they go rob me now.
Why they go rob? Nobody will rob you. You don't give money for her now. Biggie never give you money.
But actually,
but you hold.
Yeah, I hold, but they don't tell us how much. But they know they
no worry, with the calculator outside. Diana, darling, tell me now where you don't come out. First of all, tell me who you think say go win, and then tell me where you they head to from now.
Okay, so previously I believe that Elo Swag, who is my guy, I was really believing that he will win this season.
Oh, you be the believe before?
Before.
Okay.
Coming out, I was like, waiting. So now I'm rooting for my guy, level 1 MS. MS go win this year.
Okay.
Yes, so.
According to Diane.
Yes, it go happen. Don't worry.
All right. So what would they look out to see from you?
Make una prepare, because good things are coming.
Okay.
Diana baby is coming.
Okay.
I fit do acting,
Okay.
Nollywood people, make una watch for me, I go fit do TV presenting.
Okay.
I fit do radio station,
Okay.
Since this morning, the thing they ginger
since this
me.
morning,
Yes,
she don't come
so-
around. Nice.
Yes,
Nice.
I feel the vibe.
Awesome.
And also, of course, my dream, beauty and skincare. Of
Awesome.
course.
Awesome. I dey see with my eyes. Giddy Fia.
Yeah.
Who you dey root
I dey
for?
with you. Okay, as I did like this now, I'm rooting out for 2-3 people. I no go lie.
2-3 people.
Yeah. I go like if any of them enter like na proper like it go make sense. You understand? If na any of them 2-3 people, I no go lie for you. Like.
Okay, who be this?
That was gonna be Brian, my G, number 1. That
Brian,
was number 1 on the
baby
list. But
Bree,
make you
okay.
understand, I know they like feel too entitled and put my hopes so high, but you understand. So I root out for Emmys too. Then
Emmys.
Fina, yeah.
Them Fina.
Fina, I no go lie, yeah. Yeah, those 3 people, like, yeah. But Brian, top of my list, I no go lie for you. Big baby Bree, my G, what you saying? So
Okay.
that I actually root for.
Okay. Now for you, what would they expect?
Okay, I dey always talk am like Giddy Fia is a brand, go big. Like I know say I do alright, I know get issue because talent choke, but at the same time I would like to explore many options as it be so. Big brother, like we say, in a place where you go learn. You learn, say you fit do many things. So I'll be diving straight into entertainment, you understand?
Okay.
Hosting, presenting, like I know
I say you show your skills for us.
Serious. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Even if you can't say it too, I mean, if you can endorse me, what else I wait for now? Not to start.
All right.
Yeah, you understand? Yeah, so I'll do that. I'll do that. Acting also, I know I have that naturally. I'll really like explore that one.
Somebody say we take a few seconds. They want make you laugh. They want record your laughter.
Waiting be that now.
Please, here we go. They say make you laugh. They want record that laughter.
I know if you hold up. I swear.
When did I say make you? I don't want to laugh out.
No, as you talk up now, no people hold up.
All right. And where do people go follow you for social media?
Okay, me is on Instagram and Twitter is at Giddy Fia. That's GIDDY_FIA as in fire born. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, Diana baby.
So for myself on Instagram, Diana.Edobor, and on Twitter, Diana Edobor all together.
Deji.
Alright, so for me,
Deji, before you talk that one, you don't see video where they go around between you and
I might see
now hugging on they hug.
I just make out to as we like each other, I'm going hug ourselves.
This make out
it's just different from it.
People is it different make
people
out?
never sabi,
This
how
type.
they take the one, exactly. But different. I just make out. We don't do too much.
All right.
You get.
Where they go follow you for social media
So
platforms?
for Instagram, Deji Morafa. For everywhere Deji Morafa practically, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, Facebook.
And you believe say this love will go last,
it's
right?
supposed last now. You've got one.
All right. Well done, Deji. We appreciate you, Deji, Diana, Mademoiselle.
Yes,
And of course to you, Giddy Fia. Thank you so much. Show up inside the building. Lagos, you go catch the recap on social media platform. We love when they come back. You go see the pictures soon.
You did miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.